Alright, sorry for the scary intro, guys. What's up, YouTube? Home Nickel Barbecue back with you again. Today we're making goop sauce. I had to do the intro to just kind of mess with my buddy Bloody Ring Ranch. Alright, so here's the, I'm going to bring you guys in tight. You guys can see what's going on here. Alright, now that I got you guys in here, let's talk about what we got. We got a ½ cup of mayonnaise. We got a ¼ cup of sour cream. We've got 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. And we got 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. So we're going to get all these guys in here, mix it up, and then I'll explain to you what goop sauce is while I'm mixing. Get that whisk, get that in there. Alright guys, so goop sauce is a Pacific Northeast type sauce that, I mean, regionally that's where it's typically found in kind of the older style classic type diners. They're all pretty close to the same. Some people claim that they've got the best, etc. This is kind of my take on it. Now, what do you use goop sauce for? I mean, typically goop sauce is put on a burger. So we're gonna make a simple smash burger here after we get everything mixed up and kind of, you know, see what it tastes like. All right, guys, this looks pretty well mixed. We'll get the Blackstone griddle switched over to where we can cook on it and get this crap off here, and then make a quick smash burger, put the sauce on, see what it tastes like. See you in a second. All right, guys, we're ready to cook. I'm gonna bring you guys in tight onto the griddle, and you can watch the magic happen. All right, so we're gonna take our patty, put it down, put the paper down, smash that guy flat for about 10 seconds, pull the paper back, then we're going to hit it with some seasoning. Alright, I'm using Blindsided's limited edition rub. Use whatever you like. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this, but see how you start to get this juice coming through the top? That's how you know when it's ready to flip. We'll just hit that, flip it over, let this other side cook for a couple minutes, and then we'll get ready for the bun. Real quick, throw some seasoning on that side. Let this cook for another couple minutes. Alright guys, it's just about done. We're going to throw some cheese on here because I like my cheese. Hit it with a little bit of water. Put the dome on it. Let that cheese melt real quick. Alright guys, cheese should be melted. Oh, that looks good. Set this off over here. Scoop this up. Get it on here. I'll get everything switched around. We'll get the goop sauce on here. Let you guys see what it tastes like. Alright guys, we're about out of real estate here on this cooker. Let's make that goop sauce rain in here a little bit. Get this bun lid on. We'll get you a taste. Alright guys, it's all done. Let's take a taste. That's amazing. That sauce, we've got a little bit of mayonnaise, the pickle, which is the relish basically, the mustard, sour creams, and that doesn't come through so much, but I'm sure it's adding something to it. Burger tastes great. Blindsided's rub tastes great. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I gotta crush the rest of this burger, but if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, become one. Want notifications? Hit the bell. Don't want notifications? Don't hit the bell. Later.